friends, welcome to my humble homestead. So pardon me, I did just get out of the shower, but I really wanted to get this chia pudding done so I can have it for the morning. I'm trying to get some easy breakfast, like just to have some varieties. My cats, it's that time where they go berserk. So what I wanted to do is just show you, it's been a while since I've made the chia pudding. I'm kind of in a fruit kick lately. So I'm just going to do kind of all the same here, just a bunch of fruits. But I will link in the description below the other chia video that I did quite a while ago that I have 4 different kinds of flavors. I think matcha, chocolate, a fruit, and a chai tea one. So I'll link that below if you want to get a different variety. This in here, the reason why it looks silly is because I went into my milk storage that's in the freezer and I took out the cup and a half that I just kind of thawed out some milk that I had there, because you can take any kind of milk that you want. It's usually about 2 cups, but I'm also using this coconut milk that I got at Azure. My Azure link is always below. You can get coconut milk wherever you want, but I like to use the full fat coconut milk because I think it just adds a delicious, decadent flavor. Now, if you want a nice creamy thick, like if you want to do a really thick chocolate chia pudding, you can leave out the regular milk and just do all full fat coconut milk, and it just makes an amazing dessert, like let me put you down here so you can actually see what I'm doing, huh? Let's try that out. You guys might want to see how we make this. There we go. How's that? Better? Better. Okay. Alright, so I got the regular milk and the full. Oh my gosh, my cats are playing in boxes, just to let you know. Got some Amazon stuff because I have some plans. You know, with Christmas coming, I plan on making some baskets, and I have these amazing candles. They're called plague candles, which is I'm super excited to show soon. They're the easiest candles to make. They burn for super long time, and they burn off the germies in the house. So I got some stuff from Amazon to make those. You can get the stuff anywhere, but I hardly ever leave my house, so I am making a mess of this. Okay, so I got that mixed. Then for sweetener, I like to use the maple syrup. You can use whatever you like for sweetener. You can use sugar. I'm just using a half a cup. Last time I think I used a little bit more and it was a little sweet. Plus I'm putting some fruit in there. So I'm just going to do that for now. You can always add extra sweetener. You can use honey. You can use sugar, coconut cane sugar, whatever you want. And then that is all that I do for the milk base. Then last time I put the chia seeds in the jars first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add a little bit of milk first and then the chia seeds, just because it mixes better. So I'm going to do that first. So I'm just putting a little bit of milk. Oh, and I can hear I have my pressure canner going because I'm canning some soup. Alright, let's see. I might even have more to make. So then I just take the chia seeds, which are so good for you. I can also link the video where I talk about the benefits of chia seeds. It's so amazing. So we are going to put 4 tablespoons. This one is actually, I'm going to put 2 in these, because this is 8 and that's 16. So 2 in the smaller jars and 4 in the larger jars. I may have to go get one more large jar. We'll see. 2 and then 4 in this one. And then I'm just going to mix this all up. It might be perfect, actually. So easy to make, so good for you, and the kids, yeah, actually this will be perfect, because I have to fill it up with the fruit and the milk. like I said, you can make whatever flavors you want. I had made a chocolate one, which is really good. But I've been really into the fruit lately. I'm just going to go ahead and... So I've got just some mangoes. I took these out of the freezer. Mangoes, blueberries, and strawberries. So I'm just going to add these right in here, which sounds good to me. And then I just let these sit overnight, and tomorrow it is a grab and go breakfast. Grab and go breakfast. And it will be delicious. And I will have enough. This is actually 2 servings, so I'll have enough for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Extra strawberries in there. This is a little bit much. And then put that in there. All right, then I'm just going to top this off with the milk and then stir it all in. And the chia seeds thicken. So let me stir this up here. And that is really it. That is all it takes to make chia seed pudding. And then I just use these plastic lids here, and I put them on top and throw them in the freezer. Delicious. That is absolutely it. If you want to put some like little coconut shavings on top, chocolate chips on top, nuts on top, you can do that. But this is how I like it. This is perfect for me. It's another alternative. Somebody like, if you like to do the overnight oats and stuff, I just love this. Oh, you know what else I sometimes add, which I didn't, which is also really good, is sometimes I put my homemade yogurt in here too. You can do that too. I didn't. It doesn't really need it because I have the milk in here and the coconut milk, but if you like to add yogurt in there, you can too. So this is going to just thicken up overnight, and it's going to be super creamy, thick, like pudding, and delicious. All right, so that is it, everybody. That is our chia seed pudding. And I just did the fruit, and this is quick, easy breakfast for me to pull out and grab and go. I am going to do some lar bars coming up here because I wanted those I can freeze and pull out and have those ahead as well. All right, everyone. We'll see you in a bit. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Have a great day.